GEFA Prozesstechnik. Your partner for valve technology. The water hammer effect. What is really happening during water hammer effect? The following pictures are taken with a high-speed camera with 1000 frames per second. We focus on that forces that are generated when water is punching on the valve. Water hammer effect is activated by fast closing of a valve. Forces during water hammer effect. In proper speed, these effects are not visible to the naked eye. The pictures of the high-speed camera show how a steam vacuum is generated, how the water column is pulled back and punching on the valve. Consequences of water hammer effect. In slow motion you see how water spray squirts out of the flange gasket area. The studs are stretched and at the same time the whole construction is spoiled with a deflection of 15 mm. The forces. Vacuum is generated and pulls the water column back with a vacuum pressure of 0.1 to 0.2 bar. The measured distance for the backflow is 30 centimeters. Water covers this distance within 64 frames, that means in 64 milliseconds. "30 centimeters comply 4.7 meters per second or 17 kilometers per hour. This is comparable to the speed of a cyclist. Now steam bubbles are decomposed and deceleration begins. For comparison, a pursuit plane reaches 10 G at most. In an accident, deceleration is 50 G at most. Within 8 milliseconds, the speed of the water is dropping to zero. In this time, you cannot see any vacuum bubbles. That corresponds to an acceleration of 586 meters per square seconds. or 59.7 G. During the deceleration there is a force of 29,300 Newton on a surface of 50 square centimeters. This is a pressure of 58.6 bar. The actual load on the disc is as high as if a heavy truck weighing 3 tons would rest on it.